Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 1st, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So this morning I was talking about longs, and there definitely was a pretty decent little long today. Now, this is a kind of an odd pattern. If you look at just the euro dollar, it might be a little confusing, but if we use the pound dollar for correlation, we see one, two, three waves down, we see one, two, three waves up. Very corrective. Looks like a 333 pattern, which would be a WXY for three more waves down like this, or possibly it's a 335 pattern like a flat, which would end up doing something like this. So if we're taking that into consideration and we're applying it to the euro dollar, we would expect to either see one, two, three, four, five waves down like this if it's a flat with either a higher low or possibly a lower high if it's a expanding flat. Or possibly this is a WXY pattern for one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, and then one, two, three waves down for like a WXY, which a WXY can also form either a running or an expanding pattern. So either way, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.